Hello everybody, in this particular video I am going to explain why out of 50,000 students, why only 5,000 students are qualifying GPAT. That means GPAT is difficult, so everything I am going to explain. So here is the thing, to explain that I would like to give some small story to you. So the story here is that I am the teacher. I told my 3 students to get the mango fruits for me. So here is his name is Ram, Geda and Sham. These are the 3 students. So I told these 3 students to get the mangoes for me. So now here is the thing. Ram is a vision. Ram is having vision. So Ram, what he did means he taken the ladder. So by using that ladder, he climbed the tree and he cut down the 100 mango fruits for me and he came and given. That is about Ram. And Geta. So what Geta is did means Geta is also went to the tree and she searched for the stones. She find 15 stones. With the help of that 15 stones, she gathered the 25 fruits and she come and she gave it to me. Okay, 25 fruits. Another thing that Sham is also good student and he went to the place where the tree is there and he waited until the fruits will fall down. So he cut down, he taken the 5 fruits for me. So now see here, 100 fruits are taken by the Ram, 25 fruits are taken by the Geta and 5 fruits are taken by the Sham. So this is the thing, right? So that means if you see, I told these 3 people same task. But here is the thing, so same exam GPAT, but why the some people are getting very good ranks means they're having the vision. If you see, Ram is using the ladder. So ladder means step by step. So that means day to day they are improving their skills towards the GPAT exam. Day to day they are reading small portions for GPAT exam. So if he climbed this step, then again this step, then again he reached the plant and he reached the upstairs, then only he is able to cut down the fruits. That is the thing happened to the Ram. That means the students who are getting the good ranks are the students who are getting the below 100 or 200 300 ranks. They are doing the hard work in a tremendous step to step manner they grown. So that means initially if you see in this step everyone feel difficult in GPAT preparation, but they are not leave the preparation and they went up and up like that. So day to day they improved their skills and day to day they improved their preparation and day to day they improved their skills. Finally they got a good rank in GPAT. That is about the visioners. So that is the reason out of 50,000 the 500 people who are getting good rank. Another thing here that some people like Geta. So what Geta did, so Geta went to there and she searched for some stones. She find 10 stones or 15 stones. So with the help of that she cut down 25 fruits. That means the students who are reading without planning, the students who are reading without so if they read for 10 days, they don't read for 15 days, like that the students are having. So if you are the person like that, so you are able to qualify GPAT but not able to get the good rank. That is the thing. And if you see the Sham, so Sham is waiting for the until the things to happen. So that means he went to the tree but he is not searching for any stones or he is not go with the ladder. So he just waiting until the things will happen. That means so the fruits will fall down and he will come and he will take that fruit. So 5 fruits are fall down, he taken like that. So that means the students who are not qualifying out of 45,000, so what is happening here means lot of students like us, so they just react to the situation. So here the situation is what, so fall down of fruits, that is the situation. So he just waited to react to the situation when the fruits are fall down like that. That means lot of students like us. So what we will do means we will not read until the exam will come. So we just start the preparation before 2 months or 1 month or 3 months before the exam. So that is the reason lot of students are fail. 90% students try to react to the situation. So if you are the person who are in the third category, that means you are trying to react to the situations. When the react to the situations means when the exam came, then only they will react, then only they will read. When the exam in 2 months, then only they will read. When the exam in 1 week, then only they will read. So if you are the person like that, surely you are going to the people who are unable to qualify the GPAT. So that means the students who are having the good vision and the students who are reading daily, so they are going to get good rank. And the students who are also work somewhat hard, they are also able to qualify GPAT. But the students who are just reacting, that means when the exam date will come, they just apply. When the exam date is coming, so they just start reading. So if you are the person reacting to the situation, it is highly impossible to qualify GPAT. So if we have the vision, you just move towards towards the vision. So the Ram is always moving towards the vision. If you are the person like Ram, surely you are able to get the good rank in GPAT. If you are the person like Geta also, there is chance of qualifying GPAT. If you are the person like Sham, it is highly impossible to qualify the GPAT, because the people who are reacting to the situation, it is highly impossible to get the rank what they are expecting. So this is a small story. I hope you understood. Thank you. Have a nice day.